import a CSV file. So you always need to go to the data tab. You go to the get external data group, and we have from text, but we also have other sources. So when we finish this particular project, you need to take your time and go through what we've done. Okay, let me click on from access. Let's see what is there. And that is the only way you will learn.
Yes, from access, from web, from
yes,
text,
so that is it. That is it. So you need to explore those options and try to understand how it works. That is it. So we have this particular option. My data has headers. So if you look at the data we have here, the data contained on the worksheet already have headers. So number, type, description, inventory, daily, weekly, all these are headings for the data. But what we see here does not come with headers. So we do not check the headers. Are we okay with that?
Yeah.
Then you just click on next. Then it is asking you what is the delimiters?
Oh, okay.
Is this separated by commas or semicolon or space? That is it. Then you click on it. Now, once you do that, you see it has properly aligned them for you. Then you hit on what? And it tells you, okay, we are using the general format. That is the general format for respective cells. That is it. When you come here, this is also general. This is also general. So you can change this to, if it's a date, you can make the modifications here. But you just have to leave it as it is. Then you click on finish. So once you do that, you see it highlights where you are supposed to what? Import, which is what? A16. Then you click on what? Okay. So once you do that, you see it imports the data into the worksheet. So someone who is not a specialist will open the two separate files, copy and what? Come and paste. And that is not, the most effective and efficient way of getting things done.
Okay. If you have a question, please.
Okay, ask, please.
I noticed that with the delimiters,
Yes.
when you went back to check, the tab delimiter was checked.
Yes.
You didn't uncheck it. You didn't uncheck it. Is that okay to leave it like that?
Yeah, it's okay to leave it like that. Because normally it's a tab or a comma. But yes. So but you can uncheck it if you want to. It will not affect the process.
Oh, okay.
So once the importation is done, you cannot undo. But maybe later you can try, because I think I'll have to share some of these files with you later on. Okay, so that solves this task. Then let's look at task 2. Change the worksheet tab color of sheet 1 to blue accent to darker 25%. So how to change the worksheet tab color of sheet 1? If you want to change the tab color of a particular sheet, you can see that both is blue. New inventory doesn't have a tab color, so tabs. So if I want to change the tab sheet color, how do I go about it? You can explore from.
This thing actually gave me some headaches.
It gave you a headache. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, in the word, because I used the Office 2019. I know it should be there. I know it should be there, but you have to search.
Oh, sorry. So were you able to find it?
Well, I was able to find some. Like I said.
Okay. No problem. So let's see.
I couldn't finish the word. So thank you.
No problem. No problem. So Godwin, can you help with this? Al Hassan, can you help us with this? Because I don't want to do the talking alone. So let's share some ideas. Let's see how we can solve this particular task. Yes, who's ready to contribute? No one?
Can I?
Yes. Why not? Where should I go?
We are only changing the tab.
The color of the sheet.
Yes.
One. Yes.
Okay. So the color. So
yes.
I think we should highlight it.
Okay, I've clicked on it.
We'll go to Home tab.
Okay, I'm at home.
I think they will come to the fill, the color fill.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Because if you use this, what it means is it's going to fill the cell which is currently active.
Yes.
So so if you use this approach, you will not get it right, because they want us to color, which is the sheet color.
The whole sheet.
The whole sheet, just the tab, like boats, like your inventory. So that's what they want us to do. So if you want to do that, because it's an entire worksheet, we have the cells group. So within the cells group, we have formats. So under formats, we have tab color. So when you come here, you can just go through it. Blue accent. What are we looking for? Blue accent 2. So I'll keep going through it till I find blue accent 2. And they want darker 25%. So you need to go down the list and look for darker 5%. Am I making some sense here?
Yes, you are making sense.
Okay.
I remember I asked a question that I remember I called and asked a question on situation where I am using Office 2019.
19, yeah.
And, yes, and even though it might be there, but it looks different.
It looks different, yeah. Yes.
So it's not going to be the color pattern as color plateless as yours, but it is going to be open there.
Yes.
I really wish I could share for you to see how.
Okay. Well. Okay. Then let me share it. You share for us. Okay. So I will stop sharing my screen. Okay, let's present it. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's all presented.
Yes.
So you can present your screen.
Okay.
Alasan, are you there? Godwin, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm trying to find the color.
Okay.
So this is.
I can see.
How.
Let me see where your screen. I need to find your screen.
Please, can you see mine? Please, has it come?
Okay. Yes, I can see your screen now. Yes.
You can see my screen.
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay. Thank you. So, please, can you see my Excel?
Okay.
Please, can you see my Excel?
Yes. Yes, I've seen your Excel. Yes, I see your Excel.
Okay, so
I can see it.
I go to format table.
Oh, you don't go.
Can you see my?
I can see it. You don't need to go to format table. You need to go to the cells group where we have the format.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
and then you go to tab color. That is.
Tab color.
So yes. So you need to know, find it.
Where to go?
Because
you remember I was
that is it.
This has been giving me headache upon headache.
That is it.
Thank you so much.
So it's there.
Thank you.
It's there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Also share my.
You're giving me headache.
You're welcome. Oh, no Okay. So in my entire screen now. So the Microsoft exam is not what you want. What you do that. You can just close your eyes and pass just like that. Okay. So let's look at task 3. But I used 1 day to 5 papers. I passed all of them. You just need to know where to find what. Yes.
Fifi, you are different, Charlie. You are different.
It is all. Don't worry.
You are different.
You'll get there. Okay, so let's look at this. Godwin, this question is for you. You have to talk. When I finish, I'm coming to Al Hassan.
Okay.
Copy the content. Copy the content of the new inventory worksheet and put it in the table on the both worksheet, beginning in cell A6. So first of all, what is your understanding of this particular question?
He said I'm supposed to copy the content of new inventory worksheet.
So
meaning that I have to first of all locate the new inventory worksheet, then select everything that is there.
Okay, I'm doing that for you.
Okay, then I copy Control C or
so I had Control C. Okay, or we come to the clipboard group, then we hit copy. Okay. So what do I do again?
Then they said put it in the table on the both worksheet. So let's go to the both worksheet.
Good.
They said put it in the table.
Okay.
Beginning from, so let's move to A6 first.
A6. Okay, then I do what?
Then we paste.
Okay. Control V to paste.
Yeah.
Simple. Okay. Thank you very much, Godwin. Let Al Hassan.
Ben.
Al Hassan, this is for you. We are to reorder the worksheet so both is first. As you can see, both is second or is in the middle of the two worksheets. So how do we make both the first on the list? Yes, Al Hassan. Yes, Al Hassan.
Please, the question again.
We are to reorder the worksheet so both is first. So how do we make both worksheets the first? Because over here we have sheet as the first, both as the second, new entry as the third. So how do we do this? How do we reorder?
Okay.
Oh, you need someone to bail you out. Okay.
Okay, what I will do is
I
will come to the boot worksheet.
Okay, good.
That is the one that I want to come first.
That is it, yes. So how do we make that happen? Because it is in the middle now.
It's the middle. I know.
It's in the middle. So tell us, how do we do that?
Then
how do we do that?
I will left click and hold.
Okay.
And drag it to the left side.
That is perfect. So you hold, then you do what? You drag. Okay, let's click, then you drag, then you drop. Okay, great. So if you all downloaded the files, look for the exercise called Scuba. Godwin, you can check within the files that you downloaded, the exercise file.
Okay.
What we are currently working on is the Scuba, so that you can also follow along. Same to you, Al Hassan. Same to you, Benjamin.
Please, is this Scuba Gear rental?
Yes, open that.
Okay.
And I'm sure you get this same thing.
Yeah.
If are you seeing the same workbook?
Yes, I'm seeing the same, apart from the down part that you are having.
Oh, okay. So I just switched it because we had to change both to first.
No, I
Or
mean where you are having the project.
oh yeah, for the project, yes, for the project, this is application, so you won't see the
Okay.
questions, but all that
Okay.
you see is the exercise file. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay, sure.
perfect. So okay, good. I think this is sorted. Okay, let's go to task 5. This is going back to Mr. Beidou. Sir Ben, this one is for you. Hide the new inventory worksheet. Hide the new inventory worksheet. So how do we hide a worksheet? So Ben, are you there?
Muted. You mute your mouse. You move your mouse pointer to the new inventory.
Okay.
Yes, you click on it.
Okay.
Yes, you right click and you select the hide yeah.
That is it. Perfect. So it means at least we've understood this first project. So the project was asking us to update our inventory workbook to include new items, and that is exactly what we've done. So Microsoft is saying, if you know how to do it, show us by executing the task. And I think we've done perfectly well, and we need to give ourselves a clap or a pat on the back. Okay. So finish, then you click on what? Grade project. Then the system will just mark it for you. Then we look at the next, project. So let's give it some time. Then it will give us the next project.
Fifi, please.
Okay, hold on.
I don't have the exercise files. I don't have the.
You don't have it, or then I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, I'm online. Zoom meeting. So let me finish and call you back. But you can join. I sent an email, so kindly join. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Google Meet. Bye. Okay. So guys, have you seen it, please?
Yeah.
So we got all 5 targets. Okay. What is happening? Let's stop the feedback. Okay, can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, I've connected with my phone as well, so that I can see the participants and call you. Okay. So let's look at the overview. No, I think this is distracting. So let me disconnect my phone. Okay, good. Back. Okay, so let's overview. A small discount supply store is creating an inventory report. They need help with chat, hyperlinks, and applying conditional formatting. You have been tasked to assist. So for this project, all that we're going to do. So our first task is to join cells A1 through to E1 of the tackle worksheet. And after doing that, we don't need to change the alignment of the content. The first step, what is the first process? If we want to join the content of cells A1 through to E1 of the tackle worksheet. So I'm going to go straight to Godwin. Then when I finish, I move to Benjamin, then I come to Augusta, then I come to Al-Hassan. Yes. So kindly open, if you have the exercise file, kindly open fishing supplies. That is what we are dealing with. So open fishing supplies at your end. So join cells A1. Okay, Benjamin, you don't have it, right?
Yeah, I don't. Yes.
Okay, let me quickly forward it to you. Okay, kindly mention your email address for me.
Ben.
Jee.
Jee. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Benji6660@gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I've sent it to you. So you need to download the RAW file and extract it. You find the exercise files there.
Yes, I am on it.
Okay. Okay, so Godwin, Al-Hassan, have you figured? Yes, Al-Hassan. Godwin.
Fifi.
Yes.
They said we should join cell A1 to E1.
Yes.
That's the same as merge, right?
Yes. That is it.
So that means we select from A1 to E1 and just click merge.
Which sheet? Of which sheet? Because we need to look at the sheet. Sheet that we are dealing with.
Of the tackle worksheet. That's the second one.
That is it. But I want you to use the terminologies. So where can the merge and center be found? Because as a specialist,
Okay, so on the home tab.
Perfect. Good.
Yeah, the home tab around where the alignment stuff are.
Alignment group. We term that alignment group.
Okay, alignment group.
Good.
Yeah. Then you can find after selecting A1 to E1, then you click on the merge and center.
Because when you click on the merge and center now, it will change the alignment of the text, and we don't want that to happen.
Okay, so we'll use the drop down and just select merge cells.
That is it. So you just select merge cells or merge cells. That will not change the alignment. So you just go with merge cells, and it stays where it is. So you only merge the cells, but you don't change the alignment. So you need to be very particular about the question you are reading when you are taking the exam. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, good. So task 2.
Sir.
Yes, Al-Hassan.
Please, can we have access to the tax?
Yes, I've shared everything with you. You have it in your email. Or you want access to the practice test management system. Is that what you want?
I mean the tax 1, tax 2, tax 3 in that order. We only have the worksheet.
Okay. Don't worry, I will share files with you after the meeting.
We only have the workbooks, but we don't have the questions.
Okay, I'll share them with you. Don't worry about
it.
Okay, perfect. So, Al-Hassan, this is for you. On the carriers and coolers worksheet, link the content in cell C10, C11, and C12 to cell A4 tackle worksheet. What is your understanding of this particular task?
that should link the cell content in cell
Okay.
10,
Uh-huh.
C11,
Uh-huh.
and C12
Okay.
to cell A4 on the tackle worksheet. Okay.
Okay.
My understanding about this question is about I think that will be cell referencing.
Cell reference. Okay. So could you please explain
Or
more? What do you mean by cell referencing?
like linking one cell to another with different worksheet or with different sheets.
Okay. Okay. So is that a general understanding of the entire group? Sir Benjamin, Godwin, and Augusta.
Me for one, I don't understand
understanding.
anything. So
Oh, okay. Okay. So let's go to Godwin. Do you agree with him? Do you agree with
Yeah,
what Alasan is saying?
that it has to do with cell referencing.
Do you agree with that point?
Yes, I agree.
Oh, okay. What about Augusta, Miss Asma? Are you on the same wavelength with us?
I guess so.
Okay. And I'm sorry to say we don't use cell referencing in this particular regard. So let me explain what cell reference means. Let's say I type 78, I 82 here. So if I'm making a cell reference, I'll need to use the equal to sign. So once I press the equal to sign and go and click on, let's say, J7 and press enter, I've made a reference to cell J7. So if you check the formula bar, I have it is equal to what? J7. So what it means is whatever changes that is made here should automatically reflect in what? L, because it has been referenced to J7. And this is not what the question is demanding of us. So if I type 900, I press, you see, nothing happens. It changes. So what this question demands of us is for us to go to this worksheet. Okay. So if I come and click on cell C10, there should be a link to take me to tackle sheet cell A4, which is different from cell referencing. It is a form of reference, but with this one,
please, can you go over again? Please?
Okay, maybe I'm moving too fast. Let me take my time.
Say,
Yes.
so is the question, is it talking about the hyperlink?
Yes, it's talking about hyperlink. It is
So
talking.
the confusing part, the confusing part was link the content.
Yes, you are linking, so it's a hyperlink.
The content, it means whatever that is in that particular cell, that is cells
That is it.
C10,
C10. That is it.
C11, C12.
That is it. This is it.
So my concept was not, I was thinking about the hyperlink, but the content there confuses me.
Oh, okay. So did you understand now? Is it okay
Understand.
now? Okay, that's fine. So let me go back one more time. And this is what I think I use for developing the terminal report system for junior high schools and senior high schools. So you just have to be good with your cell references. So if you are talking about cell referencing, then let's say this is 100. Then you come here, you say it is equal to this cell. You're making a reference to cell 5. So whatever is in here should automatically be updated in this particular cell, which is different from hyperlink. Are we clear on this particular point, please? Are we clear with this?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, please.
Okay. So we're going back. So on the carriers and coolers worksheet, what it means is come and click on small cooler, small tackle box, combo, that is a superscript. It should take me to the tackle worksheet cell A4. That is all that we are seeking to do here. So once I've selected cell C10, C11, C12, if you want to apply a hyperlink, look at the tabs. Where do you think hyperlink can be found? Just go through your respective, worksheet at your end and tell me where hyperlink can be found. Tell me where hyperlink can be found. Yes. Have you found it?
Is it
insert time?
Insert tab. So I go to insert. Then where? Which of the groups?
Yes.
The links group.
The links group.
Links. So once you click on the link, then it opens the. So let me explain the various types of hyperlinks. So we have hyperlink to a web page. So if you want to hyperlink it to a website, then you can type the website address. Then we can also hyperlink it to a place in this document, and that is what we are seeking to do. So you want to move from coolers worksheet to tackle. So if it is a place in this particular document or workbook, we come to tackle. So which cell are we making reference to? Then we say that to cell A4. You come in here and you change it to what? A4. Does that make sense, please?
Yes.
Does it make sense? That is it. So once you click on OK, then that particular link has been created for the respective cells. So I'll click on OK now. Then automatically it tells you that, oh, okay, this is a link. So once you put the mouse on it, you click on cell C10, it takes you to A4. Then you can equally create another link to take you back by going through that same process, but referring it to carriers and coolers where you can come back. If I click on this, it will also take me to the tackle worksheet cell A4. I come back, I click, it takes me there. So this is how hyperlinks can be used for this particular purpose. Are we okay now?
Oh, we are okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Augusta, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, great. Okay, so let's go to task 3. On the carriers and coolers worksheet, apply the 3 flags. Yes, Al-Hassan.
Please, I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Can you link a sheet to another sheet?
Yes, you can link a sheet to another sheet. So as soon as you click on the link, it will open that other web.
Assuming you want to link the tackle sheet,
yes,
to the carrier and coolers.
That is it.
Immediately I click on tackle sheet, then it will move me back to.
Oh no! No, you cannot do that. But what you can, you can link a workbook to another workbook. So let's say this is a tackle workbook, okay, and this is a carriers and coolers workbook in a separate file. You can create links to those books, and this is 2 sheets within one workbook. So you can just link the content of the cells. Are we okay? Okay. So whose question is this? Right? No. Gordon, you've answered. Alasan, have you answered the question? Okay. Have you answered the question for us? Because I'm moving on to the next question.
Which question?
You answered.
Did you post a question to me?
Yes, it was about the hyperlinks, but you all did not get it. So let me move on to another person. So let's go to Augusta. On the carriers and coolers worksheet, apply the 3 flags icon set conditional formatting to the content in the inventory column. So we have the inventory column. So how do we apply conditional formatting, which is 3 flags icon set? Where do we click? Where do we go? Augusta, the only lady in our midst. Where do we go? Where do we click?
Okay. I think that I know, but I don't know.
Oh, we know, but we don't give it your best shot.
Yeah.
So we have the tabs. Where can we click? Where can we go? You direct me, I'll click. Then you look through it. And let's see if you can find conditional formatting.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you are checking from your computer.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us where the conditional formatting is. Then we will move.
So I think it's under cell group.
Okay, where
Right?
can the sales group be found?
In the
Which of the tabs?
home tab.
Okay. Okay, under the home tab.
No,
You're
no.
looking for conditional
Go to styles rather.
styles. Oh, okay. So within the styles group, we have
Within the
conditional
styles
format.
group, yeah, you have conditional
Okay.
format. So
Okay,
then
good.
you highlight the inventory column,
Okay.
and
So
then
let me do. So control to highlights. I go to conditional formatting. So
yes,
how
and
do I
then you
find it?
click on
Mm-hmm.
icon sets.
Okay, good.
Yes,
So,
and the icon sets. Then you go under indicators.
Okay, good.
Yes, you select the 3 flags there.
Perfect. Can you clap for
Yeah.
Augusta? So you know, pa, not that you don't know, you know, pa, Washada. Okay, so are we all good with this? Hello,
Please,
guys.
can you go over again?
Let's go
Can
very
you go over again?
good. Voice not confusing. Oh, sorry. So with a conditional formatting, we have various types: highlight rows, top of rows, data bars, color scales, and icons. So normally, when you give data to, let's say, your supervisor, and in its raw state, it becomes very difficult for the person to interpret what is presented. But if you say that, okay, I've highlighted all those that are greater than, let's say, so I'll say, okay, I've highlighted it with what? 5, and I've applied, let's say, green fill with what? Green text. So once it is greater than 5, I will have that particular conditional form applied. Are we okay with that? Are we okay with that?
Yeah.
So if I say, okay, I'm going to highlight those that are between. So it means when it came to sales, those that did better or those that we need to, give training to. So if you fall between 1 and 3, then it means that you are not really doing it. So automatically, if I come and change the value to 2 or to then the system will just highlight it with a red. If I change it to 1, it highlights it with a red. It's automatic because you've conditionally formatted those cells.
Okay.
So this is how you can apply conditional formatting. So maybe when you create, let's say you're a teacher, you create an Excel, a grade book, then you want to highlight those that got F, D, and E. Once you apply the conditional formatting, it will just pick it up for you. Are we good? Okay. So
Yes, please.
Yes, I'll go for the last, and that solves that. So let's go to task 4. Benjamin, this is your task. On the carriers and sheet, expand the chart data range to include the rest of the rows in the table. On the carriers and coolers worksheet, expand the chart data range to include the rest of the rows in the table. So how do we do this? How do we? So this is our right, and the chart is showing the items from small tackle box to large cooler, but seeing the rest of the items. So how do we expand the list, Benjamin?
So on the carriers and coolers worksheet.
Yes.
Expand the chart data range.
Yes.
Include the rest of the rows in the table.
Yes.
To include the rest of the rows in the table.
Yes.
Fifi, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
I don't really know. Okay.
You don't know.
Because I'm not.
Okay.
Yes, I really want to learn the Excel, but
no problem.
I don't know. I don't know what to do. So
okay.
I'm very happy if I'm yes.
Okay, that's so.
Al Hassan want to help me out.
Okay, Al Hassan. Al Hassan. Yes, Al Hassan. Al Hassan. Al Hassan, here. Let's hear you. Or Godwin, you want to help?
I think I can see that from 14, I think some rows are hidden. So I think if I'm getting the question right, they want us to show the rows that are hidden.
No. It was yes, the rows are hidden, but when you expand, okay, this question has nothing to do with hidden rows. They just want you to include the remaining rows in the chart. So if you look closely, this is the range that the chart is using to generate the pie here. Are you following? Are you following? Hello?
Yes, I'm following.
Good. So if you want to expand, today is bring your mouse here. Then it changes into a diagonal arrow. You hold it down, then you drag. So as you drag, you can include the rest of the rows, and that will be updated in this chart. So everything will be included on it. That is all that you need to do. So whenever you are creating a chart, you need to select your range. So once the range is selected, you can create your chart. Are we okay with this? Are we okay with this?
Please, can you go over again, please?
Okay. So if you want to include the remaining rows within this chart, what you have to do is just bring your mouse to the bottom right corner of this particular position. Then you hold down the left mouse button. Then you drag downwards. You drag downwards. Then you release your left mouse, button. Are we okay with this?
But when I was dragging, it was dragging only the inventory before I had to drag the description as well.
Oh, okay. Maybe it right. Let's see. Okay, because if it doesn't work like that, then it means you have to do the other side as well, which will still give you the same result. Okay.
So do you start by selecting the chart?
Yes, you need to select the chart. That is the first approach.
Okay.
Aha. And we have another approach where you chart design, which is the contextual tab. So once you get to chart design, the contextual tab, you come to set data. Okay. You click set data, then look at the range. It starts from C4 and it ends at D9, but we want to go all the way to D19. So you can just come in here and change it to 19. Or you can just clear this. Okay. You can just clear this and just move your mouse and drag over to select. Then you click on OK.
Okay.
Get the same result.
Okay.
So we have two ways of doing this. Are we all okay with this? Are we all okay?
Well,
hello, are we all okay with this? Okay, good. So task 5. So we have to copy only the carriers and coolers worksheet into a new workbook. So we are copying this carriers and coolers worksheet into a new workbook. And when we finish doing that, we need to save it in the G-Metrics template folder as inventory report. So we are copying only.
My laptop had
okay.
I had to
oh, sorry.
I have to put some juice inside. Sorry.
Oh, okay, no problem. Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm back on.
Okay, that's fine. So copy only the carriers and coolers worksheet into a new workbook. Then we save it in the G-Metrics template folder, inventory report. Then we close the new workbook before proceeding. So if you want to copy an entire worksheet, what is the process? How would you go about it? This is the task. Then I will end the session. People, we spend about 1 hour, 5 minutes. So copy only the carriers and coolers worksheets into a new workbook. Save it in the G-Metrics template folder as inventory report. So when you finish, you close the new workbook before proceeding. So how do we copy an entire worksheet into a new workbook? Yes, who can help? Or you want to try? Then you give me the feedback.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, Alhassan.
First of all,
so how should we go about this?
You can press Control A.
Control A. Okay.
So that
I've done that.
Then you left click on it.
I'll click on what?
Left click on. Sorry, right click on the sheet.
I'll right click on this. Okay, carriers and coolers. Okay. So what do I do?
No, not the pool.
Okay, all right.
Not the pool. Yes.
Okay.
Then you copy.
Okay. Good.
Then you create a new worksheet.
A new worksheet. Okay. So new blank workbook. Is that what you mean?
Maybe you can even press the plus sign down there.
Oh, okay. The plus sign.
Where are you placing it?
we are placing it in a new workbook, not a worksheet. This approach you are using is for those who are not specialists. And I don't want us to use this approach. As a specialist, we need to be better.
I think Godwin sounds is up.
Okay, Godwin.
Yeah, hello?
Yes, Godwin. Yes, Godwin, I'm listening.
I think when you right click on the sheet's name, that is the carriers and coolers. You should see move or copy.
That is it. This is what especially should. What do I do?
Then where the drop down is to the where we have the fishing supplies, click on that.
Okay.
Then choose new book.
Okay, that.
Then I think you just click OK and create a new copy.
Okay, good. So when you click on OK now, what it will do is it will move it from this workbook to the new workbook. But the question is saying we should copy.
Okay, so you have to check the create a copy.
That is it. So that you still have a copy here. Then once you click on OK, it moves to a new workbook. A copy has been created now. Okay. So now we need to save our copy because the copy here is book 1. So how do we save it? So let me give this to the only lady in our midst today, Augusta. How do we save it in our Gmatrix template folder? Yes, Augusta.
So you go to File.
Okay.
Or your top.
Have
you selected? Have you copied it already?
Yes, we've done that already.
So you go to new.
We are saving it all.
Yeah, saving it. Okay, go to save.
Yes.
Save as.
Then we need
and then you browse.
Okay.
Or on your right hand side, I can see the Gmatrix template.
Oh, okay. So it's here.
Yes.
Then
then you name the file name.
Okay.
Should be inventory.
Okay, inventory report. Yes.
Reports, yes.
Then I'll click
then
on
you can save.
That's it.
Save, yes.
Okay. So I'll do project. Tomorrow, God willing, we'll look at project 3 of 7. Then we go to 4 of 7, 5 of 7, 6 of 7, 7 of 7. And that will give you a feel of how the actual Microsoft exam has been structured. How easy it is for you to pass if you know your way around there. Are we all good?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Hello.
So,
thank you so much.
You are welcome. So what I will do is, yes, a minute, please.
As a reminder.
Please speak. I'm listening.
As a reminder of the questions.
Yes, I will send it.
Questions.
That's what I will send it. Don't worry. I'll send it. Okay. So we.
Okay.
Correct.
I think Godwin's hand is still up.
No. It's the first one. Don't put it down. It's the first one. So it's fine.
So what's up there?
If you find
no, was at all. Okay, no problem.
For today,
there seems to be from your background.
Last one to say something.
I was saying that for today there is your show. You have hijacked everything.
Oh, I seen.
Okay.
I'm a layman, Alasan. I'm a layman. You can see I'm a layman. You can see I'm a
You know,
layman.
for we that we are forgetting.
Layman who is able
No,
to
me,
use
I
the
can see you.
background.
I can see your professional Godwin and Augusta. I can see you guys are professionals. Like, you know your way around it.
No.
They are
I'm a
professionals,
different,
eh?
so I'm a layman. And
Okay.
actually, I could say that if you come to like pure computing, like the administrative aspect, I'm an IT administrator. I'm not really.
Okay.
I did the engineering aspect. I'm not really Word, Office, and Excel. So there's something I really want to get my hands on. Yes.
That's fine.
So I can see, Alasa, you are like, you know your way around this. You are mentioning referencing, Charlie. I have no idea what referencing is. But if you come to fixing computers and that one there, me too, I can give you something over there.
No problem. Okay, so guys, Alasan,
Thank you so much.
Godwin, Benjamin, Augusta.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. So
It's
tomorrow
been wonderful.
morning
Wonderful. Thank
we
you
will
so much.
meet.
God bless you, sir.
Okay? Hi. I'm
Okay.
going to end the meeting.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you
Enjoy
very
the
much.
rest of your evening. Bye. Bye.
You too.
Okay, Alasan, you are still on, so you need to leave the meeting. Alasan, you are still on. You need to leave the meeting, then I can end it. Okay. So let me end it.